Hey, what's going on, everyone? Dr. Kingsley here. I'm here with Nicole. Today we're going to be working on a core activation drill that I like to use that's going to help raise awareness on how to use your abdominals to make sure that you're bracing the proper way when you go through your workouts, all right? So what we have here is we have a strap placed on the ground. Nicole is going to lay on her back, and she's going to place that strap kind of like in the area of her lower back where she's starting to break an arch, right? So go ahead and you can tuck that there. We're trying to raise some awareness here on how to lock in like your abdominals and make sure that you keep that rib cage over your pelvis. So what she's going to do here is she's going to work on just flattening out the lower her back into the strap, and I am going to just attempt to slide the strap away and out from underneath her back. So she's just locking in, and what she's doing here, she's really just kind of concentrating on everything through her core. She's not going to push in through her heels to make sure she's locked in. And she's also going to breathe for me because I think she's holding her breath for quite a long time. All right, so we're going to work on just holding on to that. How's that, Nicole? Doing all right? All right, so now what she's going to do is now she's a pro at this. We're going to work on the progression to this exercise. So I'm still keeping a low level amount of tension here where I'm trying to slide the strap out from her back. She's bracing for me. She's going to go ahead and bring her knees and hips into a 90 degree position and still lock, and oh, had a little bit of a slide there. She felt it, she knows. All right, and then once she's established a nice amount of control here, now we're going to start to just add some dynamic movements, and she's going to go ahead and start to alternate. Ooh, we're sliding. Alternate with sliding and tapping the heels. Touch, touch. Let's go with 10 of these here. Okay, just nice and controlled. It doesn't have to be fast. Just making sure that you're keeping your back pasted to the ground. How are we feeling? Doing all right? Oh, got a nice big slide right there. So she's starting to fatigue out here. I'm not going to show any mercy on her. So we're going to go ahead and start to progress this a little bit more now. She's going to add some upper extremity movements in. So she's going to bring arms vertical, actually, okay, up towards the ceiling. Okay, lock in again, braced, holding that strap, and go ahead and just alternate arm movements now overhead, keeping everything nice and supported. Okay, let's go ahead with about maybe 4 more raises. Nice and controlled here. Don't lose control of that strap. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and up the ante even further. So we're going to go ahead and start to bring the arm and leg back on the same side. Go ahead and drop them down. So this is kind of a variation of the dead bug. We had a nice little slide there. Hold it, keep locking it in. That's it. And then we're going to progress into an opposite. So she's now going to lift the opposite arm. So left arm, right leg going up and back. There we go, good. Lock it in, keep everything supported. Okay, go ahead, 1 more on each side. All right, good, and relax. All right, so right there, guys, that's just a quick demonstration on how you can go ahead and really work on activating that core, making sure that you have that rib cage locked over your pelvis. Give it a shot, let me know what you think, all right, guys? Thanks, Nicole.